What's up guys, I'm J Marie and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Where have you been? Why aren't you subscribed? Why aren't you subscribed? Please go subscribe right now. And I'm just gonna get right into this video. Today I'm gonna be talking about this beautiful wig that I'm wearing. I'm gonna show you guys how I style a synthetic wig, how to make it fit for you. If you are new to wigs or you have not worn wigs, if you're thinking about getting wigs, I always say start off with a nice synthetic wig. I'm going to show you how I kind of make my wig fit for me. And this wig I'm wearing is a Bobbi Boss wig. It is the Nikita Wig. This wig is gorgeous, guys. This wig looks so cute and it looks so realistic on. I am loving the style. I'm just going to jump right into the tutorial and show you guys how I style this wig. This is the wig that I'm wearing. It is the Bobbi Boss lace part, and this is Nikita, and I have it in the color 1B. I did pick this wig up at my local beauty supply store, which I feel like it was overpriced, guys. I think this is like my first time ever buying a wig from the beauty supply store. I was just desperate and I needed something done to my head. I had just did a failed twist out that looked horrible and I was just not feeling it. It just made me feel so down about myself and it made me feel so self-conscious, and I was like, you know what, I am pretty much done with my natural hair for a while. Not to say that I'm not into the natural thing, but sometimes my natural hair doesn't make me feel good. I know I'm not the only woman that feels that way about their natural hair, but I guess I'm kind of like going through a thing where my natural hair, I just don't feel that sexiness. But I have in the past, but right now I don't feel that with my natural hair, and I think I'm just going to give my natural hair a break. I thought about straightening my hair, becoming a straight natural, because I changed my hair so much. I'm not just one to just stick to one type of style, so that's why I went and got a wig, baby. And this is the one I got, the Nikita by Bobbi Boss, and this is what she looks like out of the box. Nice wavy. I love my little shorters, the shorter type of wigs, and like the bob like style, and I usually go for like a middle part. I had a hard time finding a nice middle part wig in the store, so I did choose this one, which is a kind of like side part. The downfall about this wig, I wish I would have known when I grabbed it, it don't have a back comb. Does not have a back comb, but I love the fact that it doesn't have these two front combs, which I do hate. But I always like to have my back comb because I have a little pea head. My head is little, so I need all the extra protection I need that I can get with keeping my wig on, baby, because I do not want it to slide off. So I'm just going to adjust the straps. I like to make it I'm trying to do it probably tight as I can because it does not have that comb, which gives you that extra security to make it sure, baby, we don't want those wigs sliding. We don't got time for the wig to slide. Y'all, my makeup, I am loving my makeup today. Today I've had the time to actually take my time and do me a nice makeup look, and I added some lashes. So I am really feeling good about that. So thumbs up if you are feeling this makeup look. Nice long part that comes all the way back, and just like you only get the lace right here. And another thing about this lace, you see that thickness? It's probably not my favorite type of wig because of that thickness there. Yeah, I'm just going to take some of my LA Girls Pro Concealer, and this is the shade Fawn, and I am going to go ahead and paint the inside because I don't like to do it on the outside. I just don't like the hair to have that concealer in it, but I like to paint it on the outside, which gives you that same effect but don't put too much because it will still show through. So I just paint some just like that and inside, making sure to blend it really nice. Don't do like me and put too much because it still came out. It still came out, but I do feel like this is a little orangey to me. Pretty much just adding that concealer all through. And look and seeing how, okay, that doesn't look too bad. Not too much, just see, just like that. I like synthetic wigs because they are pretty much already styled for you. You don't have to do a lot of styling, but I just do want to show you guys how. You know, when you look at these pictures that they have with the one with the wig on, you're like, oh my gosh, how would that look on me? Because a lot of times they don't look good. So I'm gonna put this wig on, and because it's come like a side part like that, I'm gonna, ooh, I'll put too much of the concealer, but you see that right there? That's what I was talking about. And I may have to put some of that concealer right there just to cover that up. Just gonna put a little more right there and blend it out. I kind of put too much right there. I'm gonna work it out. See, I need my comb. I need my comb. So I'm gonna have to make this really tight because I don't feel like it's secure enough. I just crisscross when you do have that problem. I crisscross the bands, and that way, oh, perfect. It gives you a better feel. There we go. Now I don't feel like my wig is gonna fly off, baby. So I just like to line up, and I always do my baby hairs really nice and sleek. And I did use some of the Gots to Be glue to do that. And I'm just gonna go, I still see that line. I hate when it had this thickening, real thick piece right there. So I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit better. Also forgot to mention, it does have a little baby hair, like, but I don't know why the baby hair is all on one side. I wish it was more on this side. You know, just got my little brush. I'm gonna brush it out just a little bit. I'm gonna lay some of these baby hairs down because I like it pulled back, and I think it'll look better if some of these baby hairs were kind of tamed. Comb them out just a little bit. I feel like they're a little too long, so I'm just gonna snip them. Just gonna take some of this Gots to Be. This is the yellow one. Ooh. Okay, there we go. Alright, so when I do that, that looks better. So now I think I'm just going to shape it a little bit more on this side. I feel like it's too heavy. I don't know if you can tell like how heavy this is. So I think I'm just going to trim this because I like for it to be a little bit softer where it just flows a little bit better. So I'm just going to trim this. Okay, I'm liking that better now. See, that looks a lot better already. And I think I'm just going to take probably a little bit more little higher. Alright, that's much better. Ooh, I'm liking that. Now I think I'm gonna do probably the same thing on this side. Just come down. Oh, I'm feeling this. At first I didn't know what to think about this wig, but now that I got it on and I styled it, I am liking it. I think I'm gonna cut a little bit more here. Alright, that's better. Ooh. Just gonna cut this off a little bit. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like this video and also go subscribe and turn on your post notifications. That way you're always notified whenever I do upload a video. Also comment down below and let me know if you guys are feeling this wig. I'm missing Nikita, baby, from Bobbi Boss. I hope I was able to give you guys some good tips and tricks on how to make a wig fit for you. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.